Hi everyone, in this video we are going to build a Python basic project that is converting text data to speech. So let's quickly see how we can convert text data to speech. So basically in this project we are going to use a module that is provided by Google. So the module name is gtts. So this module helps us to convert text data to speech, and that module is not come by default in Python. So we have to install it by using a pip command. So for that let's quickly open a command prompt, and here let me make it size bigger and just write here pip install gtts. Here guys you can see that I'm getting requirement already satisfied, but in your case it will start downloading if you haven't downloaded it yet. So once you install it, just close this command prompt and you can easily import here by writing import gtts. But here we are going to use just one class from this gtts module, that is, let's see how we can import it first. From gtts import g capital tts. So this is class which is provided by Google, and that API help us to convert text data to speech data. So also you can see the reference gtts is Google text to speech API, an interface to Google Translate text to speech API. So now guys, before moving to this class we are going to create some text. So I'm going to write here text variable name, and after that this is store our text data. So let's write here hi everyone, this was our project and hope you like it. Let me write hope you like it. All right, so this is text which we want to convert into a speech. For now I just took 3 lines, but you can write n number of lines, it's up to you. So let's see how we can convert this text to speech. So we have this class, so for using this class we need to create an object, right? So for creating an object we need to call a constructor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give an object name speech, and for calling a constructor we have to write a class name, and inside this bracket we are going to pass some parameter. So the first parameter is going to be a text, and we have stored in text variable. So basically our variable name is also text, and here also the parameter name is text. So even you write this text to text or you don't write, that also gonna be okay. Now guys, the second parameter we are going to pass is language, and by default the language is English. So even if you don't write this, by default it's gonna take English, and our text is also in English. But for now let's write here language is equal to English. If you text in Hindi, German, French, then you have to write that particular language. Alright, after that third parameter is slow. Basically, the slow parameter help us to make the changes in the speed of speech. So if I write slow is equal to fast, that means it's gonna make our speech normal. But if I write slow is equal to true, that means it's gonna make our speech speed slow. So, but for now, I want to make my speech speed that is normal. So that's why I'm giving slow is equal to false. Alright guys, so once we created this object, that means we have converted our text data to speech. So what we are going to do now? We are going to save this speech in a audio file. So for that we are going to write speech dot save, and here you can write the path of your location where you want to save that particular audio file. So I want to save in this folder only, so I'm not going to specify any folder location, but I will write the file name. So the file name I'm going to give is project.mp3. Alright guys, once we converted this text into speech and save it, we are going to print a statement that is successfully converted text to speech. So guys, you can see that here we have nothing, right? And I give the location this only. So I will get an audio file as soon as I run this code. The output I am getting successfully converted text to speech, and I got an audio file. So let's quickly play this.
Hi everyone, this was our project. Hope you like it.
So you guys can see that it's working fine. So this was our project. If you learned something new in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video.